Well, it has been a morning already. Off my routine today, unboxing.
Really big Skims order.
I'm gonna pair it with my favorite hooves.
I sat on my sunglasses. There's no hope, is there? Sensory overload in here.
I've been getting into it.
Hey, where are you going? Again?
Dinner is served.
Cheers.
Well, it has been a morning already. I got sent this forever ago. I have no idea if it's good. I have no idea if my hair is gonna look good, but I just wanna try something new. And so let's try styling our hair and we'll give you, oh my God, how do I open this? I'll give you some updates. How the heck do I use this? I am so off my routine today. What happened was last week at my daughter's school, there was an outbreak of RSV, or maybe it was 2-3 weeks ago. I don't know. My daughter got it. I got an email for school this week, last night, that there is an outbreak of pneumonia. Her father and I decided to just pull her out of school this week, but today was a filming day for me, and luckily her dad is working from home today. We kind of structured it where I did the first 5 hours of the morning, so I did morning with her, breakfast, took her to the gym with me, which I tried to film, but that was a whole experience. I got somewhat of a workout in, and then around lunchtime, took her to her dad. That gives me 5 hours to film. I'll pick her back up and then do dinner with her, and then I'll do like bedtime. We just did not want to risk getting another cold, especially because I'm trying really hard to go up with my daughter to visit my mom, who just had a pretty serious surgery that went well. Had a lobe of her lung removed and a cancerous tumor. Obviously, RSV and pneumonia are like the worst things to have with someone recovering. I'm really hoping we all stay healthy over the next just 3 days. You see this here, if you don't know what's going on, I had a thyroid biopsy. Fortunately, they were inconclusive. It showed like intermediate cells that were of some concern. The thing that is actually more difficult for me is we have to wait 3 months to do another biopsy. It could contaminate the biopsy results if we don't wait that long. I got burned from the biopsy. It's a chemical burn. Is it giving lion? Okay, hold on. Let me just spray down. I don't want to apply any more heat, so we're just gonna call it a win. We did something different, okay? We had some fun. Let me clean everything up, and then I think we should do a little unboxing.
Really big Skims order. This is not gifted by them or sponsored. I have never been gifted or sponsored by Skims. One thing I do really love is their cozy collection, and that is one thing I did get for myself, so I will open that. I know some companies have cozy like items, but I loved this print, and the Skims stuff just really is the coziest. And then my favorite item are the cozy joggers, just because they have the zippers. They are slim fit, they have a drawstring, the zippers just really make it, and I don't know, I just thought it was the cutest thing. And then for some reason I got the matching socks. I don't need the matching socks, but I got the matching socks. Okay, this one is for Grandpa. I got him the men's flannel set. He is the hardest person to shop for. He buys everything he wants, and so I usually just get him like pajamas or slippers. Then I bought my friend the Skims sleepover set. I'm gonna have to return this because I saw her the day after I purchased this. Guess what she had delivered to her door that day? This exact set. So obviously I know her well. Mom, if you're watching, don't look because this is yours. I saw this zip up and just knew she immediately would love this and needed it. So this is one of the items I got her, which I've never seen before. It's brand new. Ooh, it's the Cozy Light. I want the Cozy Light collection for myself so bad. Oh, cute. It's an off the shoulder, long sleeve, full length cozy dress. I thought she could wear this out and about, but also just cozy at home. I don't know, this just really screamed my mom to me. Oh, this is a repurchase. This is my favorite bra of all time. It is the Skim Smoothing Bra, I think it's called. It's the smoothing collection. Nobody ever talks about this. This is the best bra. It feels like you're wearing nothing. What is this? Oh, that's right. I decided to also get my favorite bra in a dark color. They're my favorite. I just needed to get as much as I could because I feel like they might cancel that collection because nobody talks about it. Oops, I forgot. I did get one more thing for me. I wanted to try, what collection is this? I don't know. It's like their cotton fleece, not tight, they're not flare, they're more of like a straight leg, and I don't have a sweatpants set that is like that, and I got the matching pullovers. Like this are just my favorite. I really like greens right now, so I did treat myself to that set, and that is actually everything that was in here.
I feel like I'm so notorious for changing again, but I'm getting ready to kind of break out of my bubble and do therapy video call. I do use BetterHelp, and they are sponsoring this portion of the video. I've used them for over a year, and I usually use their like text chat feature. I don't know. I really have noticed that I have very much so isolated myself, which like I know no one can thrive like that. Something about in-person quality time that I know is taking an effect on my mental health. If you do want to try BetterHelp, I do have a link down below. There's just BetterHelp, HELP/Baylin. I have been with the same person for over a year, but there are over 30,000 licensed professional therapists. In most cases, you can get matched once signing up within 48 hours. For whatever reason, you do not get along with your therapist, you can swap, no questions asked. You can schedule therapy whenever it's convenient to you and do it from home in, I'm not wearing pants, in your chonies. I'll have a link down below. It's just betterhelp.com, BetterHelp, HELP/Baylin. And using my link will get you 10% off your first month. Gotta let me know if there's such thing as too much aloe vera, because I might be doing that right now. I kind of like go in and slice it until it's super juicy and then get all those juices on there. I don't think I'm at like scar cream level yet because it's still an active burn, and some people were saying it was an allergic reaction type situation and put Benadryl on it. It's not an allergic reaction. I just straight up was so frozen. Like I got frostbite on my neck. Oh, I'm not mad at the doctor, I'm not. But I did suggest a different measure of numbing. I did suggest lidocaine injection, which I had for my first biopsy. No complications. And now I have to see him again in 3 months, and I really hope he listens to me. Otherwise, I'm just gonna say, go in raw, do not even numb me. Like, I'll just take the pain. My meeting is at 3 o'clock, so I got 10 minutes. Maybe I'll stop doing the aloe vera. You have to let me know if my hair is giving what I want it to give, like Sienna Miller and Alfie, or like 70s I Date the Bandmate type hair, or is it giving Hermione? Is it giving Hagrid from Harry Potter? These are the thoughts that are running through my head. But I had fun with it, and I wanted to at least, you know, have some lightheartedness today, because the past 2 months have just been heavy. You hear the gargle in my voice. Biopsy. I have like what do you call it? It's like, that's why I'm talking so high like this, because if I talk in my natural voice, I sound like a frog. That's also something that's happened since this biopsy, which is also could potentially be something from something going on my thyroid nodule. So I hope it's from the biopsy and it's not a vocal thing from a thyroid nodule, because if that's the case, that's a new symptom of something more serious. Somehow it's already time now to get ready to pick up my daughter. I thought I would just show you the full outfit and how I would style a sweatsuit to kind of look more put together. A gold necklace. I still don't have pants on, by the way. The pants are coming.
Okay, gold sunglasses. These are underwear, so I can't back up too much. But we have the pants. I feel like these need to be folded over once. I don't know why, but I really like when boxers show. Like, I've been looking for men's boxers to even, like, there's a video of me, if I can find it, it's probably 8 years old, but like, I used to wear boxers with pants. I just really love that look on girls. I put on matching socks with this, but you can't even see it with these pants. But I'm gonna pair it with my favorite hooves. Okay, and I would link them, but I think they're sold out right now. I prefer these over the fuzzy ones. I did end up getting the fuzzy ones, but I returned them because they're uncomfortable to me. Even though these are the exact same shape, I think it's this fluff around that does make it comfy. But wait, it's too dark. You can't even see me. I'm gonna have to move you so you can actually see. I'm gonna have to go against white. Hold on. Oh my God. I think you'll be able. You still can't even see. You still can't even see a full. It's hard to film. You still can't see. And I go. It's hard because the door is black, and so you can't see that this is like green or the full effect. Okay, but I promise it's cute. It's cute to me. This is how you can upgrade a basic sweatsuit set. Okay, I had a piece of food in my mouth and I ate something 2 hours ago, so that is very upsetting. It was just chilling in there, apparently. It was a granola, but it was soft. This is too much information. Let's sit down for a second. I sat on my sunglasses. Okay, my sunglasses are a good representation of how my brain feels right now. It's a little off kilter. My brain is just not thriving creativity-wise, socially, positively. It's I don't know how to get out of this rut, but I know I can, and I know I will. It's just not at this moment. We got to go. I don't know how to fix these and pick up the little one. I don't know, should I take her out to eat? Or she did say she wanted, I made pasta and cheesy broccoli last night, which was really easy. Took like 10 minutes. Should we just come home and we make that together? Maybe I'll do that. There's no hope, is there? Okay. I know how to get to my daughter's father's house, but it doesn't matter where I'm going. How many times I've been, I'm always gonna put the GPS in, because the one time I didn't, there was an accident and I had to go a different route and I got lost. So I'm paranoid. Does anyone else do this? It is crazy windy outside. There are like trees down. I really hope my power doesn't go out again. With my luck, it will. Sensory overload in here.
I've been getting into it.
I walked in and there were like 10 different sounds playing throughout your house.
Oh yeah.
I don't know how you live like this. Hi, baby. Hi, princess. You ready to come out? It's so windy, I know. Good job. Keeping it very simple. I'll show you what I'm making. It's like my 10-minute meal. It's a hit. This penne pasta, it's already open because we ate half last night. Also the sauce. This is the best sauce. Not necessarily the vodka sauce. Don't worry, there's not actually, the vodka's cooked out. It's just for the flavor. Baby, what happened? Hold on. Oh, you're still running. It was a dress fiasco. She wanted to be Rapunzel and not Belle, which gives me time to finally wash this, because I think it's this. If she slept in it, it would have been 3 days. Okay, we're actually all out of the frozen cheesy broccoli. Errol, we're all out of broccoli. Is that what? Is there something else you'd want instead of broccoli? Blueberries? Oh no. You want blueberries? Okay, good. We'll swap the broccoli for the blueberries. So it's gonna be a very unique dinner, but we leave, like we just have tomorrow. I have to get through with pantry staples, and then it's Thanksgiving, and then I'm gonna go see my family. So I've been trying to not grocery shop, because then, you know, things will go bad. All right, pasta time.
Yeah.
What'd you do? Oh, do you still wanna wear your Rapunzel hair?
Yeah.
Hello? Oh, I was putting on the wrong one. My brain. Salt your pasta. That's a lot of salt, but yeah, salt your pasta water. Get this guy out. Want your long hair?
Yeah. No, not this.
Not this? You don't want the long hair?
No.
What do you want?
Almost
The Rapunzel hair?
one puzzle.
We have the Rapunzel braid.
A puzzle.
You want to buy some Rapunzel hair? Okay, how about we find some online and I send it to Santa
No.
and he can get it. I know you want your long Rapunzel hair.
I want it.
Oh, baby.
I want it.
I know, and it's okay. You remember I used to do this when you were a baby? You're just gonna crawl under mommy's legs? You silly. Hey, where are you going? Hey! 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 Got a strainer. We're making moves. She's in the snack bin. Just picking my battles. Picking my battles. It's ready. Dinner is almost ready.
Almost?
Almost.
Not hot anymore.
It's almost not hot anymore. Put a little butter on it. Dinner done for her. Now for mom. No, I don't have Parmesan cheese, but dinner is served. You gonna drink it?
No, I got berry.
Oh, you got a berry. Should I get napkins?
No?
Maybe a little. The little one is finally asleep. I have to say, I lucked out for years. I would say up until maybe like 2 months ago. And I do think it was a good sleep schedule, a good routine, being consistent. Also used the trick of setting a phone alarm, and once that alarm would go off, it would be the bedtime alarm and my daughter would just run to bed. I know it is not the norm. I think it was a mix of like what I did and also just luck. I know it would blow away like our family members when they would see how easy our bedtime routine was. Well, that's gone now. Really, I think was the co-sleeping I did when she was sick that kind of was like, wait, mom can sleep in bed with me. She'll still go to bed, like run to bed when the alarm goes off. But then it's like, wait, mom, I need water. Wait, mom, another book. Wait, mom, this. And so, you know, I'm slowly, it's like 30 minutes of trying to like leave the room. And then she like hugs me and she's like, Mama, sleep here. And I would, but I have to actually, it's 7:30, it might be 8 right now. It may have taken that long. I have to edit this video and that'll probably take me like 5 to 6 hours. So up until midnight, and I got a deadline, so I couldn't sleep with her, but it really broke my heart. I told her tomorrow night I could sleep with her, but that really didn't appease her. So I had to read like 8 books. I finally made it. I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna get into editing, wash my face, aloe my scar. All those things. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. I hope I'm not talking too loud. I really cannot go through that routine again. I could, but I don't want to. You can't make me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully next Monday. Probably next Monday. I think I'm back on schedule. Okay, love you. Bye.